In a peaceful little town lived a boy named Arslan. Everyone admired him because he was naturally talented. He understood things quickly, solved problems easily, and teachers often said, "If Arslan tries, he can do anything." Arslan also had a dream, not of becoming a doctor, not of becoming an engineer. His dream was to become a software developer and build apps that would help people. His dream was clear, but his habits were his biggest enemy. Whenever he opened his books or laptop, his mind drifted away, sometimes to games, sometimes to random videos, sometimes to chatting with friends. He told himself every day, "It's okay, I'll study tonight." But night came, and the promise never happened. Arslan believed that talent was enough. He thought, smart people don't need strict habits. But soon, reality arrived. One day, his school announced a tech talent test. Whoever scored highest would win a spot in a national-level coding workshop. Arslan was excited. He felt certain that his intelligence would carry him through. The results came, and Arslan did not even make it to the top 20. His friends, who practiced regularly, ranked high. His teachers were surprised. His parents were worried. And Arslan felt something he had never felt before. Failure. That evening, sitting alone near his window, he realized the truth. He didn't lose because he lacked ability. He lost because he lacked discipline. He whispered to himself, "My habits are killing my dream." That night, he made a decision that would change his life. He went to meet Sir Farid, a respected teacher known for helping students develop strong habits and self-control. Sir Farid was strict but fair, and many students said, "If you want to fix your life, spend 1 month with Sir Farid." Arslan approached him and said, "Sir, I know what I want, but I cannot control my mind. I start, but I never continue. How do I build better habits?" Sir Farid smiled. "Come with me." He took Arslan to the school garden where branches were spread everywhere. Sir Farid picked up a thin plant stem, something easily bendable. He asked, "Can you break this?" Arslan snapped it effortlessly. Then Sir Farid picked up a thick branch. "Can you break this?" Arslan tried, but it didn't move. Sir Farid placed both in Arslan's hands and said, "Habits are like this. A weak habit breaks easily. A strong habit becomes unbreakable. Your goal is not to study for hours. Your goal is to build strong habits." Arslan felt a spark inside. "Sir, where do I start?" he asked. Sir Farid gave him 4 new rules, not about studying, but about building habits. 1. Start small. Just start with 15 focus minutes. Never aim big on the first day. The mind rejects sudden change. 2. Fix a time. Study at the same time daily. Your brain becomes trained like an alarm clock. 3. 1 goal, 1 table. When you sit to wake, only put the things related to your goal in front of you. 4. Track your progress. Write down what you did each day. Small check marks create big motivation. Arslan followed these rules. The first week was hard. The second week was slightly easier. By the third week, something miraculous happened. He started enjoying discipline. His focus improved. His habits became stronger. And his dreams slowly started becoming real. Months later, he took the tech talent test again. This time, Arslan didn't just pass. He secured first position. His parents cried with happiness. His teachers were proud. And Arslan realized that the real victory wasn't the rank. The real victory was the habit he had built. On the day he received his workshop certificate, he remembered Sir Farid's words. "Talents open the door, but only habits keep you inside the room." From that day on, Arslan carried one belief in his heart. Build strong habits, and success will chase you.